at Dakshinashiltra, which is the living museum of South Indian heritage spread across 10 acres of land. So yeah, it's going to be a long day, but I'm going to take you guys through it all. Come on. Hi.
Welcome, ma'am.
Thank you.
Start with orientation.
Sure. So what are we going to see today at Dakshinashiltra?
Actually, Dakshinashiltra is all about Southern India's art and architecture.
Right.
So the uniqueness of this museum is they recreated the living conditions of the past. Actually, so here you're going to see the houses of 4 southern states,
Right.
like Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Kerala, and Andhra. So you're going to see nearly 100 to 150-year-old houses, which were in demolition conditions. They dismantled it and reconstructed here.
Right. So how many houses are there at present?
Like 16 houses.
16.
Now we are entering the Tamil Nadu section. First, we are going to see Chettinad House.
Okay.
This is from Chettiar community from Pudukota in Tamil Nadu.
Okay.
So, actually, Chettiar House, usually they will have 3 courtyards. This is the Kalamkari, recently renovated here.
This is the work, right? How they do it.
These are all old, very old vessels and metals. Here there is an exhibition about topography of Tamil Nadu. It's about the coastal areas. And this is Tanjavur, like agriculture.
Okay.
So now we are moving on to Ambur House,
Okay.
Brahmin House. This is Tulasi Madam back here.
The Tulsi tree, yeah.
The space used for exhibition of the prayer items.
Right,
craft
different
items.
prayer items, yeah. What is she making? Puppet. Oh, wow. Like this. Oh, little puppets.
You want to do it?
Yeah. Okay, so we're gonna try and make a puppet. So these are the legs we're making right now. I'll cut. I don't think I'll do a as great job as her, but I'm gonna try. She's disappointed in my cutting skills. She's correcting my work because clearly I'm not so crafty.
இது வந்து பாடி
Okay, this is the body.
சாம்பிள்
Okay, like this, huh? I'm doing my best to impress her.
வெரி நைஸ்
Thank you. So she started the stitching. Okay? No, not okay. Good. And it's ready! This is so fun. Thank you.
So now we are entering into Satanur House, the agriculture house.
Okay.
So in front they use it for storage, like
For the tools and yeah.
These are all measures for these and
Right. To clean the rice.
rice grinding.
Yeah.
And old metal.
Okay.
They put the rice here.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Now move. Wow, this is hard work, huh? It seems like it's easy, but it's a lot of work. Amma, you are very strong. How much more, Amma? Done or not done? Finish? Thank you.
Now we are moving on to Porter's house. The ancient Porters lived as a joint family because of their occupation.
Right. So you have a potter actually making something here.
And now we are moving on to Vivar's house from Kanchipuram.
Okay.
This is the living room. We usually do the working in the living room. And this is textile exhibition.
Oh wow.
Now we are moving on to Kerala section.
So how many houses are there in Kerala?
Houses, 3 houses.
Okay.
One is Syrian Christian house, and one is from Calicut, and one is from Trivandrum. This is Syrian Christian house. See the boat? See? This is the basement.
Oh, they have a basement as well. And there's a well here.
Yeah.
So they can operate it right from the kitchen.
This is from Calicut. This is Trivandrum house. Their occupation is mainly agriculture. This is a cradle.
Oh, so the baby and there's a bed. But it's interesting that even in such close proximity, there's so much difference in their houses based on what they do and you know the natural conditions around them. So this is a craft shop. You can so it's actually like a little bazaar where you can buy stuff. Oh wow!
This is all from Pashmina.
So you have people, craftsmen from all over India, not just the south. This is Kashmiri stuff you have here. Look at these beautiful wooden combs.
Palm leaf painting.
Palm leaf painting.
Carving.
So which is the next house that we're going to?
We're going to Karnataka.
Karnataka?
Chikmagalur house.
Okay.
This is Chikmagalur house.
Okay.
It's actually built in 1940.
Wow.
So they dismantled it and reconstructed here. See, this is the photograph.
Oh, of it. Actually,
exact
the
house
house
that
and it was
they
recreated.
located.
Wow.
And how they dismantled it.
So actually, this house has the most decoration items and furniture and whatever. And these are pencil boxes. How cute! The craftsmen have made pencil boxes in their typical weaving style. So it's quite amazing that they support the artisans and the craftsmen here, and they actually have the opportunity to continue their craft, and people can buy it as they go from house to house. So these are really cute little pencil boxes.
This is the little house from Karnataka, northern part of Karnataka, where you find on the mountains. So they cut the stones and they build a house.
So it's a fully made of stone house. Wow.
They're very good at embroideries.
Yeah.
So now we are going to Nandra. It's called Ikat House.
Okay.
Actually, Cherial dolls will be there. Very famous in Andhra, in that part of India. This house, mainly you can see in Visakhapatnam.
Okay.
It's like coastal area.
Because of the rain, yeah, you can see the roofs.
You see the conical shape, right?
Yeah.
To withstand a cyclone.
Oh, to withstand the cyclone.
Yeah,
right.
if you built in some other way, it will
It fly off, right? Yeah.
That's why.
That's it? That's all the houses? Wow, that's a lot of houses. I'm gonna walk around. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you.
So you have a folk performance on from Andhra Pradesh right now. Let's take a look. This is a very interesting performance. They're actually enacting like a bullfight where the bulls lock horns. And there's a song and dance as well with that. So once you're done with the museum, you can also check out their craft shop. So they have lots of stuff here. You've got little perfume bottles, little souvenirs that you can take home. They also have a little clothing section here. They also have lots of traditional games here which are interesting. There's marbles, there's black elephant, white elephant game. Really interesting traditional games that you can buy here as well. So this is definitely one of the nicest museums I have been to in the country. You can actually check out the crafts, support the craftsmen and learn so much about the history, the houses, architecture. If you're in Chennai, you have to come here. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't. See you guys.